How to go live on TikTok 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to go live on TikTok 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do this, let's head over to our TikTok right here. So let's click on that. And from in there you can see this button right here to live. So if you click on that, you will see all of the live sessions that are happening right now. So you can watch them. But if you want to create your live, then what you need to do is to head over to your home screen. So let's head over to our home screen right here. And then from in there, you can see this option for plus right here. So let's click on this. And from in there, you can see some options like text, 15 seconds photo, 10 minutes. So if you're eligible to go live, then you will also see a live button right around here. So if you don't have that yet, that's because you need 1,000 followers in order to go live on TikTok. So if you head over to your profile, you can see your followers that you have in here. But if you want still to go live, then just click on these three lines up here. Click on the settings and privacy right here. And then from in there, just scroll down until you can see this report a problem. So click on that. And then this will load and this will ask you what your problem is. So let's scroll down and click on live right here. And then it will redirect another page right here. So in here you can just click on this how to start live, and then as you can see it will load. And as you can see right here, you just need to click on the plus icon in the live. So if you don't have that live option, then just click on this no right here, and then it will ask us if we need more help. So just click on that, and then this will load again and take us to another page that will enable us to tell our feedback to TikTok. So in here you can attach help me go live without 1,000 followers, and hope that TikTok will reply to you in 3 to 5 days. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to go live on TikTok 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!